So it's a very, very sad day today, guys. There's something about this Duramax that I just do not like anymore. And I believe at this point in time, you guys have been begging for it for years, literally, for me to take this part off my Duramax, and I'm gonna do it. I'm done with it. I'm over it. I don't like it anymore. I think it's ugly, and it's going to come off. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. We're gonna start off the video with a little mail time. If you guys don't realize, I do have a PO box that you can send stuff to, and there's occasionally people that do send me stuff, and I end up giving them a shout out in the process. Try to grow their YouTube channel, their Instagram, and show them some exposure. And we got a real fun treat for you today. It is actually some coffee crisps from a guy in Canada, which we'll read his letter here soon, and some actual Smarties from Canada, some Nestea Smarties. Supposedly, I guess we don't have these in the US, but they have them up in Canada. So we're gonna go ahead and not eat them right now. I'm actually gonna put them in the Frigidator because I want to keep them cold, you know what I mean? Got me some good old Voodoo Ranger there, some good beer. Let's read the letter here. So it says, and as you can see, if you want to put this segment about this, that would be funny. Hey Andy, what is this I hear of USA does not sell real Smarties? Also read, you guys don't have coffee crisps either. Enjoy the candy, Andy. You're basically the only one I watch from PA now. I appreciate that. You should. There's a lot of good creators in PA though. I love your videos. Here's my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen my video about you, which I did, so thank you very much, Gabriel. It's East Coast Trader Master. Instagram is East Coast Trader Master as well. Keep up the videos, Gabriel. All right, guys, there you have it. Little piece of fan mail that came in. Very happy to see that. I'll be definitely chewing down on them later on when I'm a little hungry. I'm actually sweating. It's really humid out right now. It's crazy. Oh, it's getting humid. It's only like 11 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not even that bad. But there you go, guys. Let's get started with the video. All right, guys, so we have the Duramax here, and like I said in the video, we are taking something off of this thing, and it's just something that, I don't know, I just don't like anymore. I want the truck to look different, and I believe that if I take this part off the truck, it's gonna look 100% different. And I'll be honest with you guys, that part is going to be what you guys have been bitching about for years. These running boards. We're gonna pull these suckers off of here and get rid of them completely take these running boards off both sides. Go over on this side, take a look. There we go. We're going to take that off. We're actually going to take the running board off. We're going to take all the brackets off. We're going to take the back part one off here as well. And I was also even thinking about taking the mud flaps off, but I'm not sure. They're actually very easy to take off. It's only a couple of bolts, and I don't really know if I want to take the mud flaps off yet. Comment below. Let me know in the comments below if you think this truck would look good without the mud flaps in there as well. We'll kind of get rid of that as well. Unfortunately, the PAP cap isn't going nowhere, guys, because I have something very freaking awesome and very big planned for that PAP cap, and I think you guys are going to go freaking crazy when you see what I do with this thing. But I've got some logistics to work out first, and once I have that worked out, then we'll be moving on to doing what we're going to be doing with the PAP cap and the bed of the truck, which is, like I said, you guys are going to want to see what's going on with that. So let's set up the camera. We're going to go ahead and start pulling these running boards off here and see what she looks like. All right, guys, so I got my boy here with me, Skylar. He might help a little bit, I don't know, but we're planning on going fishing here in a little bit. And I figured this would be the perfect time to tear these running boards off of here. So we're gonna need tools, and luckily I have a nice little tool kit that I brought. Got my Stanley black chrome toolkit, 201 pieces. This thing goes everywhere, kind of like my go bag, kind of goes everywhere with me. We're going to put this in the bed of the truck and open it up, that way we have plenty of room to work with it. All right, now that we got our tools out, let's start tearing this all apart. Pretty big storm coming in. What do you think? we're gonna take a little break. We've got this one almost off, then we'll work our way to the front. But I don't want to get rained on. Probably be a better idea to do this in the shop for some reason, but I decided to come to the park instead and do it. What do you think?
I mean, not a smart idea.
Probably not the smartest idea. You're right. You're definitely right, kid.
One thing, never try to do something anywhere else but your shop.
Well, it started raining, so we're just gonna hang out here in the truck for a little bit.
That darn rain.
That darn rain. We're gonna hang here in the truck for a little bit, and if the rain stops and this cloud passes us, then see, it's nice over there, it's shitty over there, nice back there. If this cloud passes us, then we'll continue taking these running boards off. So we've got the bottom one off here, so that's loosey-goosey down there, which is fine. I'm gonna leave this piece in and take that off later. This rod right here needs to stay. I just can't get that damn bolt out of the top there, which kind of sucks, but no big deal. We're gonna go ahead and take the rest of it off and do this side, do the other side, and then take a look at what the truck looks like afterwards. But we're gonna speed it up a little bit because I'm sure you guys don't want to see me take what are you doing? What are you doing?
Trying to get this off.
Unbelievable, kid. You're not gonna get it off, first off. But anyways, guys, like I said, let's set up the tripod, the bipod, the tripod, bipod, whatever. Let's set that up and get these running boards off really quick. Well, if it isn't one thing, it's another. And that park was having some baseball practice going on, so obviously I can't stay there and work on my truck trying to make a nice scenery. So, you know, we're back here at the shop basically, and we're gonna finish it up. We're gonna take these running boards off here at the shop instead. So, you know, it all works out. Regardless, one way or the other, tried to give you something a little bit different scenery, and that didn't work out so well. So let's get these things off. Not too bad, not too bad. As you guys can see, we'll get the camera out of the holder here. All right, so that one's off and the front one's off on this side, on the passenger side. You can definitely see the rust down here big time now. I will be getting that fixed, no worries there, guys. We have some brackets that we got to take off, but other than that, not too shabby. Little comparison. No running boards. Running boards. No running boards. Actually looks pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. I like it a lot better without the running boards on here. The second part is I'm getting this nice shirt all messed up. I actually went and changed, and I was like, you know what, I want to do this video, make a little video, it'd be fun. And here we are, you know, getting my nice shirt all dirty, which is fine, whatever. I can wash it, it's not a big deal. So we're gonna get these brackets off, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're going to get the other side off, which shouldn't take too long, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, both sides are off. Look at that. There's the passenger side, and then we have the driver's side. Look at that, you can see my lift pump under there and everything now. Man, that does look better. It definitely looks better. I'm a little tired, a little dirty. My shirt's ruined now at this point. That's okay. That's okay. Not too concerned about it. But man, tell me this truck does not look higher than it did before. It actually looks like it's 3 inches higher off the ground. It's freaking crazy, guys. Crazy. I definitely like that so much better. I really do. Now the real question is, do I keep these flares on here, or these guys, the mud flaps, do I keep them on, or do I get rid of the mud flaps too? What do you guys think? Like I said in the beginning of the video, comment below, let me know what you think. Yeah, there you go. The Duramax has no running boards now, none whatsoever. We're definitely keeping the cap though. Cap's not going anywhere, guys. And by the way, the truck is running freaking phenomenal too. It's still running great, still shifting great, not having any issues whatsoever. Man, I wonder if I should do one more mod to this thing, and that is the good old I was gonna do the Street Speed 717 mod and spray paint the frame black, but I guess I don't have any black spray paint here. I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. What's this? Is this it? Oh, we have a little bit. We have a little bit, guys. We have a little bit. Let's make sure it works. Oh, yep. All right. The good old Street Speed 717 Duramax mod coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mike would love me. He would so love me for this. He'd be like, Andy, I knew I taught you something all those years ago. This is terrible, guys. Just terrible. Get it in there. Definitely need some in there. There we go. Let's go over to the other side. Oh, do we want to get in here too? Yeah, let's get in here too. Everything's black. All black every day. Black it out, black it out. Hopefully I have enough for the other side, I don't know. We'll see. A little bit. Ugh, it stinks. Oh, I sprayed my filter. I didn't want to spray my filter. Yeah, buddy. Get it over here. Get it all covered. Definitely got to do the entire frame. Get it all covered. Get up in here some. There we go. There we go, yeah. All right. Empty can of spray paint in the trash. There we go. Freaking amazing, guys. That was kind of tiring, but as you can see, both of the running boards are off the truck now. They're not going back on. I might have a special surprise in the future though with something of a running board, but not exactly what I had before, but we'll see what happens there. She looks so menacing. So menacing. All right, guys, there you go. That's the end of the video. Running boards are off the truck. Truck's looking a lot better and a lot higher. I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy too. Whew, whew. Trying to catch my breath. Trying to catch my breath, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do me a big favor. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.